Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'm excited to share with you how I turned a children's paint set from Dollar Tree into this adorable cat peering through the fishbowl. I actually used my Cricut, but if you stay to the end, I'll show you 2 ideas of how you can create this if you don't have a Cricut. So of course, what you'll need is one of these fishbowl wood art pieces. And I put it on a piece of white copy paper and I just scanned it into my computer. And then I used this remove background to get rid of the white paper, and I could turn it into an SVG. So you can tell it's an SVG because it's now got a black background. Then I also used this website to create my SVG. It was easier than just putting it into the Cricut and erasing the parts I didn't want. Now it looks more like a drawing. And then this is optional. I really wanted my cat to have like the fisheye look because, that's what glass does. So I found this app, it's free, and I just took a picture, and here you can see how the picture turned out. Next, I imported it all into my Cricut, and I printed out the cat face, which is Quarantino, in case you didn't figure that out, to be as large as the fishbowl. I added Mod Podge to the wood piece, and then my cardstock cat picture, I just centered it and I just smoothed it all out. And then when it was all dry, I took a Dollar Tree sanding sponge and I just sanded the edges so that it would be clean all the way around. And here you can see. Then in my Cricut, I turned my fishbowl SVG and I cut an outline and a background, and I glued the outline to the background because I wanted it to have a little bit of dimension, and it was honestly easier to paper piece the colors in. And then I cut out also in the colors that I chose, some gold cardstock for the fish and some aqua for the plants and some beige for the stones. And then I wanted it to be freestanding, and I just added one Jenga block to the back, and here you can see how it just stands all by itself. And I had it displayed here with my little cat sign. Now this is the alternatives if you don't have a Cricut. So you'll still be using the same set. And if you have a light source, like I have a little ring light on my work table that I just laid faced up, and I laid my wood piece on top of it, and then you can see right through it, as you can see right here. And then I took a piece of vellum cardstock and I laid it on top of that, and I traced it. And then you'll have a template, and then you can just use your template because you're going to cut your pieces out and put it on your cardstock, and then you can also have fish. They won't be paper pieced, they'll just be, the full thing. Then my other alternative is to just use the plastic wrapping from the acetate from a packaging, and just lay that straight on top of your piece and then trace with the marker, and then you can cut them out, and then again you can use them as a stencil to cut your colored pieces out, because all you're going to do is lay them right on top of the picture. Quarantino and I hope you enjoyed our project. If you did, please give our video a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and as always, if you aren't already subscribing, please consider doing so. Quarantino and I will be back again soon with another project. Thanks for watching. Take care.